Hello, welcome to Chinky Art.
Come along, grab a pen, let's make some art again. Colors dancing, bright and bold, Chinky the artist, watch it unfold. Paint it high, paint it low, splash the colors, let them flow. Chinky the artist, here to play, let's draw and color all the way.
Now let's color.
Circle, square, and line so straight. Draw with Chinky, it's never too late. Red and green, yellow too. Mix them all to make something new. Paint it high, paint it low. Splash the colors, let them flow. Chinky the artist, here to play. Let's draw and color all the way. Draw with Chinky, feel the beat. Every sketch, oh so sweet. Art and fun, hand in hand. Chinky the artist, let's take a stand.
This is so beautiful.
Paint it low, splash the colors, let them flow. Chinky the artist, here to play. Let's draw and color all the
Don't
way.
forget to like the video and subscribe our channel.
Let's draw and color all the way.
Tada! You must try this.